So we mentioned earlier that you can store pretty much any data in an array. You can even store arrays inside of an array. An array of arrays can be represented as a grid-like structure, where each element of the array corresponds to a row of cells. Iterating over a two-dimensional array can be tricky, so it's helpful to think about the whole thing as a grid, where each row of the grid is an array, and each of those arrays is an element of the larger array. You can use a single loop to access each row of the grid, as you can see here. And you can use nested loops, or a loop inside of a loop, to loop over each element of each of those rows. The outer loop will cycle through each row, and then in the row that's currently being iterated over, the inner loop will iterate over each cell. It can help to use easy to recognize distinct variable names for your outer and inner loops. I usually like to use variable names like row or column, or in this case I used R and C, since this will help you visualize the rows and columns of the grid that your code represents.